Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back on the M3 and we have some cool products to show you today. The first product I have for you guys today is this LED strip. It's flexible, it's like silicone. It is pretty darn nifty, from CAR.X.K. There's going to be a link below in the description where you can get this, but this is a pretty cool little setup. It's supposed to go on your headlight, and it makes that, give it that modern look on the headlight, but we are retrofitting this to the fender. So I'm going to show you here shortly what we ended up doing with these lights. If you follow us on Instagram, you may have already seen my idea for the over fender. So we don't have the OEM fender underneath. We do have the over fender just taped up, so you can kind of get the idea of what we're looking at. But that light that you saw right here that I took it and we've just taped it up. We're working on mounting, how we're going to mount it and stuff, so it'll actually, work. But it is kind of mounted in an L shape here. So when I turn it on, you'll see that is our driving light, so we have it starting at the, well, it kind of fell, but it starts up here at the body line here, comes down and all the way across the bottom of the fender. So, as you know, with my old fender and stuff, we had our fender like held off the car just a little bit. We're going to do the same with this one. But the cool thing about this is once we get the light set up and everything, this becomes is the turn signal. So, pretty cool idea. We're going to hook it to the power and switch for the turn signal and run everything down here, and we are going to have our driving light and then our turn signal integrated into the fender. We'll still have our trim piece that comes across, but this is going to be held off a little bit. We're going to build all those standoffs and everything before we paint the car and paint all the parts. So this is going to be a cool little addition, just something subtle. It'll just be when the lights are on or when you're making a turn. But thought it was really cool. If you guys want this or anything like this from CAR.X.K, go down in the description. There's a link. I'm also going to put a 10% off link, so look for that. If you want these, they're super cheap, they're well built, waterproof, and very flexible, so they literally can go anywhere. I know a lot of people put them on their headlights, but there's so many different areas that you can use these in. I went back and forth with a whole bunch, thinking wheel well, whole bunch of stuff, but ended up in the fender. But these lights are going to be super cool to have on the new build, guys. So if you want these, go check them out. Link in the description. Super cool, guys. Their customer service was great. These shipped really quick, got here quick, and they're actually a super quality LED. I just can't wait to finish up my mounting on the back side of these. We're working on brackets and stuff like that, so that I can get that all finished so we can prep our fender and stuff for paint. But it's actually looking really, really cool, guys. I can't wait. So stay tuned. A lot more coming with this, and we'll see you next time.